and my pants are falling down because, or my shorts are falling down because they're too big for me. But that's not obvious.
It's so cute.
It's really humid, but we get to see all the animals. Not touch your red.
That's so cute.
Do you want to go in the water?
No, thanks. I got the cookie.
Sweet potato chip.
Now we are by house.
Yo, what's up, Cal? What you doing, Cal? You big, Cal. Look at his eyeball.
Look at that cow.
Look at that, Cal. What would you do if he ate your food?
Oh my god!
I think so. Oh my god.
Alright, so I'm eating this cookie. Bad. Bad.
Look at that. That's weird. I know. That's what I was like, oh yeah.
Look at my slushie. Isn't it so pretty? Cheers to the slushie. Yeah, it was fun, but like it's so hot out. It's getting a little cooler though, which I like. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it, guys. So we'll be making vlogs every day that we're together this summer, and I know I look like really bad, but I don't care. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. Bye.